kuan, publication, pinaka-leader, Ghost Resol, ang internationalization mo, naka-international na yun. Doc Noel.
Pagbalik.
Chopper, bamboo worm, fly like insects, and the scorpion, and the frost scampi, and the squidgy, squidgy chop, and also and the second that you enjoy, have to enjoy chop, and the third enjoy sightseeing. You go with me, you can enjoy sightseeing, and you can get more exercise. Some of you when you home, not much to walk, not much exercise, because all of you here, all you here is a teacher. If you not walk much, not burn your lunch, so you cannot eat. That's why I give you profit. And also, yes, for Thailand, that's what you have to know. Use it, right? And them not much louder. They are not much louder. For when check-in at hotels, the breakfast they provide at the hotels. Provide at the hotel. They at the 8th floor. 8th floor. After we go to hotels already, so we go check in at the lobby. And also I will collect your passport. For check-in. Later, not now. Then when already check-in, that's you have the electric.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi.
Welcome to her vlog!
Yes, welcome to my vlog. We are in Thailand. The PAFTE delegates coming from different schools in Mindanao. Whee! Hi! Oh, yan. Mga gwapang PAFTE.
The back?
Shabu-shabu.
Kanta-kanta naman.
Video.
Hi.
Hi. Kain-kain lang dyan.